All right, so you're sitting at your computer all day, you're using your phone, you're hunching, your shoulders are rounding, you're feeling like even your hands and wrists are starting to get a little funky, you feel like you can't breathe. So I'm going to show you 2 exercises that can help you strengthen the right muscles so you can maintain better posture and feel good in your body. So first off, if you want to do a quick little stretch warm-up, you can do some chest stretches to open all this stuff up. I will link to something down below so you can watch that video. After you've done that, you can do these strengthening exercises to help the muscles in the posterior shoulder and your back work to maintain better posture. So real simple, you don't need any equipment. You can do this at your office or your work from home office, whatever, basement, whatever thing you're doing. You're gonna hinge at the hips. You're gonna bring your arms up and out to the side. So just like so. You're trying to keep your body pretty close to parallel to the floor. And then you can slowly flap your arms. You can do this for 30 to 60 seconds. Really accentuate the upward motion. So you're trying to get more range up towards the ceiling. If you want to really focus on it, just hold it up at the top. Keep trying to squeeze, keep trying to bring it up, 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 up. As long as you can. Oh my God, feel that squeeze. So it's muscles behind your shoulders, between your shoulder blades. You're gonna feel a lot of stuff happening there. Make sure you don't collapse in like this, and when you get tired, drop your head, right? You wanna keep your spine as straight as you can. Look at the floor. You can even think sometimes about looking at your toes just to kind of keep the spine, the cervical spine straighter. And then you just keep going, keep going. Okay, so 30 to 60 seconds of that. You can also play with the arm position. You can go more forward, right? Or you could go more back, but I find for me, best thing is right around that 90-degree angle, just yanking back so all of this opens up. Okay, after that, take around a 30 to 60 second rest so the muscles around the shoulders can recover. And then we're going to do another hinge. So this time, if you'd like, you can just bend your knees a bit, and then you're gonna do goal posts. So what does that mean? It means my elbows are at like 90 degrees. It's kind of like I'm ready to do some kind of dance. And then I'm just gonna be lifting up like so. Okay, so rotating, getting external rotation while also thinking about keeping the elbows pulling up towards the ceiling, keeping the shoulder blade muscles active. And we're just going for 30 to 60 seconds. Really holding that top position, trying to get extra rotation to feel those muscles firing. What I really like about this is you often also get the lower traps down here going. Super nice. Ooh. And as many as you can, slowly and with control in that 30 to 60 second period. Ooh. Then take another rest. Do the first exercise again. So that bent over hinge with T arms, rest again, and then another 30 to 60 seconds of doing the hinged goal posts. If at any point you feel like, man, just holding this hinge position is really hard, then you're kind of weak and you need to work on that. But if you don't have time to work on that, you just need to focus on keeping the shoulders and the chest open, then what you can do is put your butt against the wall and then do the same exercise hinged over and use the wall as your support. And that'll make it easier so you can focus on your upper body. Getting bad posture from using the computer all the time can pretty much suck. So doing these exercises 1 to 2 rounds throughout the day, just whenever you feel like you're getting crunched in a lot, can be really helpful for improving your posture. So be sure to use these. Bookmark this video so it's always available for you to reference. The stronger you get, the longer you can do these rounds, the longer you can do the holds. So just pay attention to your body and keep trying to challenge yourself to do a little bit more each time. And now I have another question for you. What other challenges do you face as a result of being stuck on your screen all day long? Leave it in the comment section down below. Head to uprighthealth.com to get a free course to help you massage your body and crush chronic muscle tension. And while you're there, check out the do-it-yourself programs. The Hunchback Fix, Shoulder Fix, and Back Pain Fix are all programs that are probably going to be helpful for you. Go check them out now. Share this video with somebody you know who has crappy posture that gets worse using the computer. Like this, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon, and as always, I hope you remember that pain sucks. Life shouldn't. Every time